Spring's a great time to be in the garden in Victoria. The sun's starting to come out, you've got so much colour with your plants, it's just beautiful. It's definitely tomato time, whether you like big ones, small ones, yellow ones, red ones. Of course, you can get your tomatoes as both seedlings and seed. Kids love to be involved in the garden, and all you need is a little container full of some seed raising mix and get those seeds germinated, and it's just so exciting for them. Flowering plants to put in now are your bacopa, your geraniums, your petunias. We offer a plant promise where we guarantee our plants for 12 months, all except seedlings, and if you're not happy within that 12 months, you can return them with your receipt and get your money back. With spring approaching, it's time to get your summer vegetables in. Cucumber, celery, eggplant, parsley, rocket, peas and Asian greens, all those lovely summer vegetables. In September, there's still plenty to harvest from your winter vegetables, as well as your evergreens such as lettuce. Things like carrots, parsley and celery. Liquid fertilisers are a great idea as the plants start to grow and work particularly well as the soil starts to warm up. Get those weeds early, they will be just starting to pop up, and now is the ideal time to get them before they set in. Watering is important at this time of the year. Make sure your garden beds are deeply watered to encourage strong growth. It's a good idea to use water crystals now. If it tends to be dry, they'll help hold the moisture. I just love spring in the garden, and it's just so inspiring to get out there and think of all the things that you can plant and just enjoy the sunshine. It's just beautiful. If you're not sure about what you're doing in the garden and you need a bit of help, pop into Bunnings and see one of the garden experts and they'll give you plenty of advice. Click here for more gardening advice and click here to go back to the website.